Pop sensation Ariana Grande and actress Cynthia Erivo stunned on the red carpet at the UK premiere of Wicked, deviating from their signature styles. Grande, known for her iconic high ponytail and bold pink lipstick, opted for a sleek, low bun and subtle makeup. Erivo, famous for her vibrant green gowns, chose a striking black and silver ensemble. Grande, who plays Glinda the Good Witch, wore a floor-length, mirrored gown by Versace, showcasing her toned physique. Her understated hairstyle and minimal jewelry allowed the dress to take center stage. Erivo, portraying Elphaba, dazzled in a custom, beaded bodice and flowing black skirt. Her bold, red lip color added a pop of color to her overall look. The premiere, held at London's Apollo Theatre, brought together the musical's cast, including Ethan Slater and Michelle Morris, and notable attendees like Helen Mirren and Luke Evans. Grande and Erivo's style shakeup has sparked excitement among fans, eager to see the duo bring new energy to the beloved musical.